Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how Narwal self-cleaning works and what a good job it does. This guy just cleaned our house. So as you can see, the mops are pretty dirty. I'm gonna peel off one of the mops and cleanse only the other.
Recalling the robot.
Alright, let the self-cleaning begin.
Room cleaning has started.
Alright, the cleaning is done.
Pause.
Let's check the results. This is the mop we just washed. This is the one we left behind. If you ask me, there's quite a distinction. So how exactly does self-cleaning works? The secret lies in the base station, in which there are two water tanks. This blue one stores clean water, and this brown one collects dirty water. Down here we have a piece that we call the washboard. When the cleaning session starts, clean water is drawn from the blue tank, goes all the way down here and sprays through these holes up against the mops. And the mops rotates and rub against the ribs to clean themselves. The dirty water drains through the holes on the bottom and is drawn into the brown tank. That's how it works. Thank you.